Namaste sabaijanalai. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my video again. Ajako video chai, as you can see by the title, we're talking about brushes. Brushes can get confusing because आँखाको लागि 10 वटा बनाएको हुन्छ, फेसको लागि 10 वटा बनाएको हुन्छ, and you don't know what to buy, and set किन्दा पनि there's so many and it's confusing, like कुन चाहिँ के को लागि युज गर्ने होला भनेर. I know sometimes numbers haru लेख्दिएको हुन्छ, so people get really confused. Like I was not using right brushes when I started, so it happens, and this is to help you guys. And yeah, if you just want to watch even though you are using right brushes, go ahead and watch. Thank you so much. Let's get started. So these are the 5 different type of tools that you need for your makeup. So the first thing is your blender, your beauty blender. Invest money in this. You can use this to apply your foundation. If you're using full coverage foundation, you know the benefits of this are so amazing. It makes your foundation look so much smoother and more skin-like. And then the other thing is you can apply this. You can use this to apply concealers, and you can use this to set your under eyes with loose powders. Or use गरेर set गर्दा पनि हुन्छ under eye, अथवा like when you're baking or baking under here, so you can use this to bake your face. So there's 3 things that you can use this. Second brush we have is a powder brush. Powder brush ले चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ तपाई foundation लगाइसकेर set गर्छ नि face with the pressed powder. You can use that obviously because it's a powder brush, and then after that you can contour your face with the same brush. You can bronze your face with the same brush. You can apply highlighter with the same brush. You can do blushes with the same brush. So literally 4 or 5 different things that you can do with the same brush. And comes the next one. So with this brush, this is an eyeshadow blending brush. यसले चाहिँ तपाई eyeshadow लगाउन सक्नुहुन्छ, यसले नाकहरु contour गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can bake your under eye with this. You can contour your face with this. And oh my god, this is actually a perfect size for highlighters. Highlighter applicator गर्नको लागि, if you want that like really like अहिले मैले लगाएको छु नि highlighter, I use something similar. And the next comes this eyeshadow brush. I love यस्तो खाले brushes हरु मलाई एकदमै मन पर्छ. Like these दुईटा brush छ भने you can do any kind of eyeshadows. So यसले चाहिँ तपाई के रे eyeshadow place गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, eyeshadow लगाएर यसले blend गर्ने. So माथि crease हरुमा if you want more of like smoky look, you can use this to pack the colors. अनि यसले चाहिँ आँखाको मुनिको eyeshadow लगाउँदा पनि हुन्छ, यसले नाक contour गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. So last but not the least, so I have the number 12 brush from Anastasia. यसले चाहिँ तपाई obviously this is meant for eyebrows. Eyebrow गर्ने brush हो. You can use this to make your eyebrows. You can use this as an eyeliner brush, gel eyeliner लगाउँदा फेरि निल्ले लगाउँदा पनि हुन्छ. You can use this as a lipstick brush, like हेर्नु कस्तो धेरै thin छ, so it gives that really sharp look.
अर्को कुरा चाहिँ तपाई यो ब्रशले कट क्रिजहरु गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. It's really easy.
So here are these are the 5 tools that you need. If you have any questions, any suggestions that you want me to make a video for, please leave them in the comment below, and I will see you guys next time. And सबैजनालाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद तपाईहरु भिडियो हेरिदिनु भएकोमा. Thank you so much guys. I love you guys. Bye. I'll see you next time.